Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to buy in stocks on eToro. First thing first, use the search bar at the top of eToro interface to find the stock you want to buy. For example, MSFT from Microsoft. Now, click the trade button on the stocks page to open the order window. Now you need to set investment amount, enter how much money, not how many shares you want to invest. eToro works with fractional shares, so you don't need to buy a full share. Now, you need to choose order type. Market order is buys immediately at the current price, or limit order buys only when the price hits your target. For day trading, a market order is faster and more commonly used. Now you need to apply risk management. Always set stop loss and take profit. Then double check everything, then click open trade to execute your order. You need to keep an eye on liquidity, volatility, news and catalysts, and technical indicators. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.